There is a way to avoid boring sex, to avoid routine in sex, to make sex interesting every time, to make sex unique and special every single time without the use of any props, any scenarios, any games. And it's really effortless and it's really easy. Actually, so easy that you only need to do one thing for it. And I'm gonna tell you how today. I'm Alexey Welsh and I teach holistic sex, an advanced practice of sex, of a richer experience, a more loving, connected, and soulful experience of sex. And it is true that most people have boring sex, but it's not because people are boring. People are awesome and people are really creative and they come up with so many amazing things. And I've worked with so many clients who are really interesting, creative people, and they all have boring sex. And the reason they have boring sex, like most people, is not because they are not creative or they are not interesting. It's because they have been told how to have sex. They believe this is how to have sex. And everybody believes that they need to follow a particular sequence, a particular pattern of having sex. And that is why it is boring, because you have to repeat the same pattern and the same sequence every time. And you know the sequence I'm talking about that everybody must follow. You know, first it starts with arousal, with stimulating the genitals to turn them on, then, you know, stimulating the genitals to get them to the orgasm, then have the orgasm. That is the sequence that everybody must follow. So nobody is allowed to have not boring sex. Everybody feels they must follow the sequence. And in our culture, we try to deal with this by spicing things up, making things more novel and more interesting. And it just completely doesn't work, because all it does, it creates 100 different initial stimulus for exactly the same sequence that follows after. 100 different outfits and dildos and scenarios and places to do exactly the same sequence, exactly the same pattern, exactly the same journey every time. So it's like every weekend you go to the same town, following the same routes, but you decide to put a different outfit to go to the same town on the same route, or you hold a different dildo to go to the same town on a different route. And that's what we keep doing. You have to go to a different town, you have to take a different route. You have to change the journey of sex. You have to have different journeys of sex, different flows of it. You have to have different experiences that flow in a different way, that make you feel different things every time you have sex throughout, not just in the beginning with a different outfit, a different stimulus, but the whole thing flows differently. The whole thing feels differently and makes you go to different places. You have to have different journeys. So there's actually only one thing to do to make sex infinitely variable and unique and special every time, and that is drop the sequence. So there are two things you need to do to drop the sequence. First of all, realize that the orgasm is not the point of sex. That one intense sensation is not really how sex nourishes you. It is not how sex enriches you. The way that sex enriches you is a process of saturation, filling up with sexual energy in every moment, filling up with every drop, every vibration, with all the feelings, with all that love you're sharing, with all the connectedness you're sharing, flowing through that whole journey and filling up with it. The reason you have to follow this sequence is because you have to get to the orgasm. And that holds everything else in place. Everything else serves the orgasm. You have to do this kind of foreplay because that serves the orgasm, because this is how you get intensely aroused. You have to stimulate the genitals in this order because this is how they get to the orgasm, etc., etc. Because you have to get to the orgasm, everything else has to be there in this specific particular sequence. And the orgasm is not what enriches you, and by going there you are not getting enriched on the way either. So drop it. Understand that you're filling up from every moment of sex. You can even still have the orgasm. You can have it like as a separate job at the end of just having sex in a creative and unique way, and then just do that job. It would be actually quite interesting, quite eye-opening to see that now you have to get down to doing that job. It will really open your eyes on what sex kind of was before. And then the other thing that keeps the sequence in place is that belief we have in our culture that it always has to be intense. Intense feelings, intense sensations are the best sex, and it always has to be climbing in intensity and getting more and more intense. And that also keeps that sequence in place because it always has to go in one direction. And you have to understand there is so much beauty, there is so much richness, there are so many places to go in that world. They don't all have to be intense. It's very nice when it's intense, but it can also be beautiful, it can be peaceful, it can be serene, it can be really gorgeous in so many different ways. And you don't need to follow any particular trajectory in sex. You can go through whatever places. You are completely free to just feel sexual energy in every moment. Sometimes it's, more intense, and sometimes it's more relaxing, and sometimes it's more gentle and loving, and sometimes you just, pick it up again. You can go through peaks and valleys. You can go through all sorts of different patterns. You are completely free. Nobody's there to give you a mark. Nobody's standing with a clipboard. This is your life. This is your journey. Do what you want. Do what you feel like. If you want to start oral sex, do it. If you want to slow down, do it. If you want to start intercourse, do it. If you want to stop intercourse, do something else, do it. If you want to move to feel that part of your partner's body, do it. You are absorbing sexual energy in every moment. You are getting nourished, getting fed in every moment by some kind of beautiful, nourishing energy. Sometimes it's intense and sometimes it's not. And you can completely allow it to go in whatever pattern it will. It will still nourish you. It will still saturate you. It doesn't even matter in what pattern and in what order it went today. It all stays with you afterwards. It has all enriched you. And then once you understand this, once you let go of this, everything falls away and you are completely free. And all there is this moment when you're feeling something really beautiful and it feels really lovely and you're inhaling it. And then there is that feeling, what is the next thing that I want to feel? And it could be anything. You can move to another part of your partner's body. You can change what you're doing in sex. You can change position. You can change intensity. You can do whatever you want. There is just a feeling. Now I want to feel this. Now I want to touch this. Now I want to move like this. Now I want to relax, or now I want to pick it up. So there's only one point where you are feeling something that's really kind of lovely and vibrating into you and nourishing you. And then there is a feeling, what is the next point? So there's only A and B at any given moment. And when you're there, then there's the next B from there. And it always follows in a unique pathway every single time, a unique string of moments every single time, an infinite variability, a randomly generated sequence. And that takes you to the most beautiful places, the most unexpected places. And you're so authentic because in every moment you really feel what you want to feel and you are creative. You really feel what is the next thing. And you just get the best sexual energy this way from sex. I also have a free course for you called Transform Your Sex Now. It gives you some key lessons to change your sex life right now, today, and immediately bring more richness, nourishing energy, love, and connection into your sex right now. The link is below the video in the description. Go and download it. It is completely free for you.